Hello, how are you?
Good.
Hungry?
Yep. What are you cooking tonight?
I think I'm going to do a special fried rice.
Okay.
Chicken and prawn with lots of different veggies. Should be fun.
Okay. Let me see.
Come in. It's been a while. Can you turn the light on?
Okay.
There we go. Okay, I'm going to cook the egg first. Fried rice, 99% of the recipes have egg inside it. My wife doesn't like egg. So what I do, which I think is better anyway, is cook the egg separate from the fried rice. And then you can always add it in towards the end. So that's the egg. Secondly, I've seen over 1,000 different recipes for fried rice, and one thing they all have in common is no two are the same. So whatever you do at home, whatever you have leftover rice, new rice, old rice, different veggies, it doesn't matter. It's just do your own thing, yeah? And it's trial and error. You see what you like, what you don't like. So today I'm doing something that could be partially Hong Kong style, but I'm not putting ham in, but I'm putting chicken and prawn. So that's the prawns very fast, and then I'll cook off the chicken. We're going to fry off the prawns a couple of minutes until they go pink. What I did with these prawns is I put them in minced ginger and a bit of salt and pepper just to marinate for 20 minutes, just give it more flavour. Slowly take a couple of seconds to cook. Okay, so the prawns are already done. I'll keep the juice to it. Okay, now we're going to put in some additional flavouring. There's no chemicals, no MSG, no poisons in this. This one is actually from Indonesia, and it's very, very tasty. It's a combination of herbs and spices, a little bit of chili in there, but some people add chicken stock, but me, I prefer this. It's called bumbu Bali, or bumbu Indonesia.
Bambuku.
No, bambuku, okay. We've been using it for years, but that's not to say that I don't make nasi goreng without it, because we don't always have it. So when we don't have it, we just add more onions, more garlic. Enjoy. We've cooked without chili. Normally we put in a couple of Scotch bonnets or 6 or 7 little mini fiery red chilies. But today we decided to put no chili in. So if you want to add them, add them. I thought we'd try something different for once.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to do a quick taste. Just check the rice, everything else should be in. Here we go. Tastes alright. Okay folks, that's it. Let's check it out. Yummy. Very nice. So So thanks folks, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you do like what you've seen, please don't forget to like and subscribe and leave us your comments, and we'll see you in the next vid. Carry on cooking. Ciao.